Hello guys, meron tayong tools na nadagdag ngayon. Ito yung Creator Storefront. Hindi ko to alam guys, pero isa-set up natin. So, Creator Storefront, earn money by offering exclusive experience to your audience. Share virtual experience to connect with your community. You can start earning right away. An existing payout account will be linked to your storefront. Unlock a new way to earn. Engage with your existing followers by providing them a direct and flexible way to connect with you. Give your profile more visibility. Earn money by offering virtual experience like video messages to your community. Okay, get started. Set up your virtual experiences. You can opt out of allowing requests or manage your price per request anytime through your professional dashboard. Video messages, a personalized video for special occasions and encouragement of other requests. You have up to 7 days to upload the video message from the day of the request, and it can be no longer than 5 minutes. The recipient can download and share it with others. Price per request $9.99. Continue. Congrats! Your storefront is up and running. Promote your storefront. You can also share posts or reels to your community to let your community know that your offer costs on video messages. Keep doing what you love. Okay, review your onboarding guide. You'll receive an email how to manage your storefront. Done!